We're here at Happyvalley's house. It's a surprise birthday.
Hey Valley, it's been a great time working with you, and I wish you well for your 60th birthday. That's awesome.
Yeah, happy birthday, brother, and I hope you have many more years left of your life to serve the Lord and continue with the good work.
Happy 60th birthday. Many more to come. See you again and again and again.
So, with no further ado, Dad, if you come over here to the webcam, your son wants to talk to you. And he has a friend with him, so please. Hold on, Junior, in a room full of people. Say hi, everybody. Hi. It's the other Happy Valley. Say hi, Happy Valley.
Hey, Dad, I just want to say happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy yourself. Happy surprise birthday, happy 60th. And I wish I could have been there, but you know, I'll be there next month. So love you, Dad, and thanks for being the greatest dad in the world. Love you.
You know, thank you so much for, you know, for serving our country, and thank you so much. I wish you all the best in your career. And I also see that you have a friend there. You know.
Joke, man.
Yeah, that you know, and that's the start. So you need to watch out. You know that song, Woman Smarter? And not me, but the people say the men are leading and women straight, but I said that the men are smarter than the man in every way. And that's right, the woman is smarter, and that's right, the woman is smarter, and that's right, the woman is smarter, and that's right, and that's right. But thank you so much, son. I love you. Wish you all the best.
Love you, Dad. I hope you enjoy your birthday.
Love you, son. And you have fun too. Thank you. Take care of yourself.
All right, everybody, say bye to Junior. And if you, everybody give Yamela a hand. This is Yamela Patu. She conducted everything. We gave her a chance to yell at all the older siblings. And she did a great job, so thanks, Mom. Come here, give me a hug. I have no money, so I'll give you a hug. Great. All right. So, everybody keep eating, and we'll get the music started again, and we'll go on to the next thing, all right? Cool.
I like spending time with you and cooking and singing and dancing with you. And when it comes to music, you inspire me a lot. So I love you so much, Grandpa, and happy birthday. I like messing around with you. I like sitting in your office when you're at work, and I like watching the kids with you. Thanks, Grandpa. Love you. Grandpa, I like to spend time with you, sit in your office with you, read books with you, and that's all. So here's 2 thumbs up. I like to go to McDonald's with you. I like to watch Adonai with you. I like to sing in the choir with you. And that's it. I love you, Grandpa. I like making stuff with you, and I like when you let me watch Barney too. And I like how you take care of me, and I like how you take care of me too. I like how you when Mommy was a little girl, you myself are really good. Thank you, Grandpa. I love my grandpa. I do something with him. I do singing and playing with him. Anything else? No.
What do you like to do with Papa? What do you like to do?
What I like to do with my grandpa is anything, because, you know, I just love everything about my grandpa. He's the only one that I have, so I cherish every moment that I have with him, and, you know, stuff like that. I love you, Grandpa.
Ole utama, ole tofine, ole tinale o Happyvalley, and Maiava. And Maiava and my dad are brothers and sisters.
Happy birthday, Mr. Valley!
Happy birthday, Mr. Valley.
All the way from primary to Louisiana. Okay, now me. Happy birthday, Mr. Valley! We miss you, Allison and Melba. Tell everybody hey for us. Look how much Daniel has grown, and Catherine has grown, and Taylor has grown. We all like to do. Say hello. Hey. Things have changed. I finally graduated. I have a job. I'm teaching 8th grade English. I'm so excited.
So here goes, happy boots. Congratulations. You're 70 young with a basket full of heavenly gifts that keep you grounded to your feet. Thank God Almighty for you, dear brother, my childhood friend, my sibling partner.
Oldest son, unfortunately I don't sing, I don't dance, I don't do any of the stuff that they do, but I can eat, I'll tell you that.
Samoan, Manuia, Samoan, Samoa,